Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to pre-market report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Yesterday, I did not come out with a post-market report because my video editor was not feeling well. Yesterday night, US market has gone very close to all-time high. Whereas we went to very close to, we can say, 1 year low, 52-week low. Our market is looking really very bad. And of course, we are taking out that June 4, right? So June 4, when the election results came, the markets came for a big correction. Then after that, a stable government came, market shot up. And now I think the entire rally after the June, after formation of government, has been completely wiped out. Once in few months, and markets will break the highest open interest on the downside. So this month, 23,000 was having the highest open interest since the beginning of this month, right? So yesterday that was broken. But breaking is not an issue. The way it broke, market opened 100 point higher, then came down 300 point, again shot up 300 point, again came down, right? So it was the worst volatile market yesterday, and all attributed to Trump fear. The Trump has come, so he's talking about new tariff, but actually global markets are rallying as they are not expecting Trump to be very severe when it comes to tariff. So that's why even the European markets, hit all-time high. The markets globally, they are looking very good. Even the Canadian market hit a fresh all-time high when he's announcing 25% hike in the tariff, right? Practically, US is facing a very big issue, that is an inflation issue. So if Trump keeps on increasing the tariff, that will definitely add huge inflation in US. So therefore, he is not likely to go very aggressive, right? But, we do not know, is it a panic ahead of HDFC Bank result? And because, every stock has moved more than 5% up or down after the results. Look at the TCS, shot up more than 5%. Infosys fell more than 5%. Kotak Bank shot up more than 9%. Axis Bank fell more than 5%. Right? So like this, Reliance, the day before and the day after the results shot up more than 5%. Right? So all the index heavyweights moving 5% and above, either upside or downside. And today, Hindustan Unilever and HDFC Bank, both results are coming. And then Saturday, ICICI Bank result is coming. So markets are so worried. If they start moving 5% on the downside, what will happen to the market? So that panic, right? And though Nifty closed below 23,000, though Nifty went below 23,000, it did not close below 23,000. So that's a slight positive for bulls. And because of the global cues, GIFT Nifty indicating 60-70 point higher opening. So we have to wait and see what is going to happen, whether this gap up will be sold into by FIAs or the domestic institutions come in to support the market heavily, lift the market higher. So we do not know. But keep watching for yesterday's low. If yesterday's low is broken, then the bulls' hope will also be broken. So that's something. FIAs, as usual, so they have sold aggressively. I think yesterday FIAs have sold close to 5,000-6,000 crores. And with this, FIAs decided to sell at least $500 million every day, right? So I came out with a video, pre-budget expectation. So crying baby only get the chocolate. So now stock market is crying very well. So hope Mother Nirmala ji watching the crying baby. So we can expect something good. So maybe I'll come out with a detailed video. So what can happen on the budget day and the following day. So now there is no much time, and so there is no, the people say there is no resistance in a bull market, there is no support in a bear market. So therefore there is no need to talk about resistance, but the support is definitely at yesterday's low. So that's it for now. No, a few things I forgot. HDFC Bank ADR was higher yesterday in US. You know why? Because HDFC Bank result may come during the market hours. Okay, by the time US market opens, so the result will be out. So because of that, in US market there can be a gap up or gap down depending upon the HDFC Bank results here. So because of that, the people have covered their shorts in US. So because of that, the HDFC Bank was higher. That is also one of the reasons why GIFT Nifty is higher. So if this short covering momentum continues in India also, if HDFC Bank goes by 1% or 2%, then Bank Nifty can stabilize. That can bring stability to Nifty also. So anyway, keep watching for all the index heavyweights. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.